So, good morning, dear students. So, dear students, in the chapter fractions and decimals, today we shall discuss the next exercise. The exercise number is 2.5. Okay. So, in that exercise, we are going to discuss that is decimals. In the previous one, we discussed addition of fractions, subtraction of fractions, multiplication of fractions, and also division of fractions. Here division of fractions means we are taking the reciprocal of that fraction, and also we learned how to convert improper fraction into mixed fraction, and also mixed fraction into improper fraction. Today we shall move on to the next one, that is decimals. So in the decimals, this is the exercise 6.5. So exercise 2.5, in this one, first one is which is greater, second one is express as rupees using decimals, third one is express 5 centimeter in meter and kilometer, and this is the second one problem in third one. And next, fourth one is express in kg, fifth one write the following decimal number in expand form, and sixth one is write the place value of 2 in the following decimal numbers, and seventh, eighth and remaining are cancelled in this year syllabus. Okay, we shall move on to one by one. So in this one, fractions and decimals exercise 2.5, question number 1, which is greater. First one is 0.5 and second one 0.05. Among these two, 0.5 is greater than 0.05, because 0.5 is equal to 0.50. Okay, but here is 0.05. And second one, here second one 0.7 or 0.5. Among these two, first is 0, 0. After the decimal point, here 5 is there, here 7 is there, but 7 is greater than 5. Therefore, 0.7 is greater than 0.5. Next, 7 or 0.7. Here 0 after decimal point, next 7 will be there. Here there is no decimal point. Therefore, 7 is greater than 0.7. Next, 1.37 or 1.49. So among these two, first one is tens place is 1, 1. So tens place is equal. Next we have to compare the tens place, TENTHS, tens place, that is 1 by 10 place. Here in the 1 by 10 place, it have 3. Here 4 will be there. Among these two, 4 is greater. Therefore, 1.49 is greater than 1.37. And next, fifth one, 2.03 or 2.30. So among these two, in the tens place, in the unit place, the value is 2. Here also in the unit place, the value is 2. Therefore, these two unit places are equal. Next, we have to compare 1 by tens place. 1 by, in the place of 1 by tens place, here 0 is there, here 3 is there. Among these two, 3 is greater. Therefore, 2.30 is greater than 2.03. Therefore, 2.30 is greater than 2.03. Next, sixth one, 0.8 or 0.88. 0.8 or 0.88. So among these two, first one unit place, here also 0, here also 0. So unit place is equal. Next we have to compare the tens place. So in the tens place, 8 will be there, here also 8 will be there. So 1 by 10 also, tens place also equal. Then we have to compare 100th place, that is 1 by 100. Here there is no number in the 1 by 100 place. Here in the 1 by 100 place, 8 will be there. Therefore, 0.88 is greater than 0.8. Next, Question number second. Express as rupees using decimals. So we know that 1 rupee is equal to 100 paisa. Therefore 100 paisa is equal to 1 rupee. And then 1 paisa is equal to 1 by 100 rupees. So first we should convert 7 paisa. So 7 paisa means that is equal to 1 by 7 by 100. Therefore that's become 0.07. 7 rupees 7 paisa means 7.07. Next, 77 rupees 77 paisa means 77 rupees 0.77 paisa. Next, 50 paisa means 0.50 rupees. 235 paisa means 2 rupees 35 paisa. So next, question number 3. Express 5 centimeter in meter and kilometer. So 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. So to convert centimeter into meter, we should divided by 100, and centimeter to kilometer divisible by 1000. Okay. So here also 5 centimeter. First one to convert to meter, we should divide 5 centimeter by 100. So here 100 means, so decimal point is after 2 digit we have to put the decimal point. So 5 centimeter to kilometer means we should divide this by 1000. So that's become 0.0005 kilometer. And next, 35 millimeter in centimeter, meter and kilometer. So centimeter and meter and kilometer as usual. Centimeter means 3.5 centimeter, meter means 0.35 meter, and kilometer means 0.00035 kilometer. That means very simple. To convert millimeter into 10 centimeter, we should divide this 35 divided by 10. And this millimeter to meter, we should divide this 35 millimeter by 100. And to convert this 35 millimeter into kilometer, we should divide this 35 by 1000. Okay, that's the very simple idea. Next, question number 4. So this question number 4 contains question number 4, express in kg. We have to express the given gram into kg. Kg means kilogram, and 1 kg is equal to 1000 grams. So don't forget that one. 1 kg is equal to 1000 grams, and 1 gram is equal to 1 by 1000 kg, and 1 gram is equal to 1 by 1000 kg. So to convert smaller unit to bigger unit, you should divide, and to convert bigger unit to smaller unit, we should multiply. Here express in kg. So 200 grams solution. 200 gram is, we should divide this one by 1000. Then number of zeros is 3 means we should put the decimal point after 3 digit. That gets 0.200 kg. That means 0.2 kg. 200 gram means 0.2 kg. And next one, 3470 gram is very simple. We should divide this by 1000 because 1 gram is equal to because 1 gram is equal to 1 by 1000 kg. Therefore 3470 gram is equal to 3.470 kg. That means we should divide this 3470 gram by 1000. And next, third one, 4 kg 8 gram. So 4 kg 8 gram. 4 kg 8 gram means we should divide this one by 1000. Then we get 4 kg 8 gram by 1000 means we get 4.008 kg. It's very simple. Write the following decimal numbers in the expanded form. 20.03. So solution, here before decimal points is units and 10. After decimal point is 1 by 10, 1 by 10th, 1 by 100th. So first one is unit 10 alva, 10th place alide, that is 2 into 10 plus 0 into 1 plus 0 into 1 by 10 plus 3 into 1 by 100. Next one plus and so on 1 by 1000, like that. And second one, 2.03 means here unit place will be there, 1 by 10th place, 1 by 100 place. That means we should expand a given number. 2.03 is equal to 2 into 1 unit place plus after decimal point is 1 by 10, 1 by 100, 1 by 1000 and so on alva. That is 0 into 1 by 10 plus 3 into 1 by 100. Next, 200.03 here unit 10, 100, here decimal point, after that 1 by 10, 1 by 100. So we should write like this, that is 2 into unit 10, 100, that is 2 into 100 plus unit 10, 0 into 10 plus unit place, therefore 0 into 1 plus 0 into 1 by 10th plus 3 into 1 by 100. Like this we have to write the given numbers in expanded form. It's very important. That is question number 6 is very important. So what they given, what we have to do? Write the place value of 2 in the following decimal numbers. We should write the place value, whether that belongs to 1's place or 10's place or 100's place or 1000's place or 1 by 10th place or 1 by 100th place or 1 by 1000th place. Okay. So they given 2.56. So 2.56 we should write the place value of 2 in the decimal number. Here after decimal point it's 1's place or unit place. The place value of 2 is 1's place. Here also 21.37 they given and asked the place value of 2 in the decimal number. Here unit tenths. Here 1 by tenths, 1 by hundreds. So in units tenths place the number that is 2 is in tenths place. And next one 10.25. So here is we have to find the place value of 2. Unit 10 really 1 by 10, 1 by 100th alva. This is 10th, this is 100th. Therefore the place value of 2 is 1 by 10th. That is 10th place. That is 2 is in the 10th place. So like this we are going to write the number in the place value chart. After decimal point we should write tenths, hundreds, thousands. Before decimal points we are writing tenths, hundreds, thousands, like this. Here 10, 100, 1000, here 1 by 10, 1 by 100, 1 by 1000. That means we have to dividing given into tens parts, 100 parts, 1000 parts, like that. Next 9.42. So here they given that 9.42. Here we have to write the place value of 2 in the decimal number. Here tenths, point, tenth, TE and TH. Yes, tenths, hundreds, THs. The place value of 2 is hundreds place. Here tens, hundreds, thousands. Therefore the place value of 2 is thousands place. Simple. Next, like this we are writing the place value of the decimal numbers. Okay, so totally 6 in the 6th one they contains 5 problems, and 5th question that contains 3, and 3rd question and 4th question Third question very simple. We have to express meter, kilometer, and for that one you should know millimeter. 1 millimeter is equal to 1 by 10 centimeter, and 1 meter is equal to 1 by 1000 kilometer. So we should know how to convert bigger unit to smaller unit and smaller unit to bigger unit. That's very important. And also you should know 1 paisa is equal to, for example, 1 rupees is equal to 1000 paisa means you should know 1 paisa is equal to 1 by 1000 rupees. 1 by 100 rupees. 1 rupee is equal to 100 paisa means ಅಂದರೆ 1 ರೂಪಾಯಿಗೆ 100 ಪೈಸಾ ಆದರೆ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ 1 ಪೈಸಾ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 1 by 100 rupees. So that's a very simple. To compare the numbers, you should observe the decimal point and before the decimal point numbers and after the decimal point numbers. And also in this chapter, last one will be the remaining. How much less is 28 kilometer than 42.6 kilometer? And this ninth problem is homework for you, and remaining are already solved. Here also we solved 6 problems, here 5, here 2, and also 4th already solved, 5th already solved, 6th one also already solved. You should copy those problems and you should try to solve the 9th one example. It's very simple. Just you write 28 kilometer. Below that, before decimal point, what they given, you should write below this one. That means below of 8, this 2, and below of this, see here, this is a bigger one. You should write first one 42.6 kilometer, and next you should write 28. That is before decimal point. Below 2 you should write 8, and below 4 you should write 2. That's become 28.0. Above is 42.6, below of this one is 28.0. You should subtract those two, then you get the answer. That is, therefore 28 kilometer is less than this one. You should write like that. Okay, so don't forget to try to solve this problem and copy the remaining 6 problems. Okay, thank you students.